pretty windy out here today. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me or not, but got to change the shocks back here on the drive axles. Got a 07 Freightliner Century, and just thought I would bring y'all along. Dropped off pretty cold out here today. I'll say pretty cold. I don't know. It's probably in the low 40s. Pretty good wind blowing and stuff. So hopefully you can hear me. And let's see if we can't get this ball rolling here. All right, let's get after this. Get y'all tilted down there. Number one shock right here. I'm gonna change this one. Can you see me now? Can you hear me now? I'll change this shock right here, just kind of show you, walk you through it right quick, and that'll be the video. Okay? It ain't no big deal. Anybody can do this. Inch and an eighth, just a wrench. I cut that end off because I never used it, and this allows me, if I need to put a cheater pipe on it. And yes, I know that's not impact. I can't find my freaking inch and an eighth, so this will work. Alright, that was the top nut and bolt. Let me see if I can show you this. You see right down there at the end of my finger, that nut? Same kind of situation. Let me see. Right there. See the bolt head runs right through. Got the nut on that side. Should be able to see what I'm doing down in there. I'll do the best I can to get you a good view of it. Now on this one down here, I've got to put a shorty on there. I don't have enough room for a long detail socket. Just like that. Simple enough, right? There you go. One shock off. That quick. As you can see on this bottom right here, you got one side longer than the other. It's not like that on the top. They're the same. But on the bottom, there's a difference. This longer side right here goes towards the inside. Put it down there, run the bolt through. everything back up. There you go. Brand new shock put on. One took off, one put on that quick. There's the shock. And just that quick, I got that one off and put that one on. It may take you a little bit longer if you're doing it for the first time. That's okay. Take your time. Think things out. Make sure you got the proper tools. Sometimes you got to make do. Like I said, I couldn't find my good heavy impact socket, so I had to make do with another one, you know, a standard, but it still works, you know. But anyway, I just thought I would bring you guys along on this and share this with you and just show you that it's just another thing you can do yourself. Got the shocks at Freightliner, but also I have also gotten the shocks from O'Reilly Auto Parts. You know, most time they have to order them. It generally takes a day, but you know, for me to get, if I don't do it while I'm out on the road, a lot of times when I'm getting ready to come home, I'll stop at a Freightliner along the way if they've got the parts. I call ahead, and if they've got the parts, I'll stop in there and pick them up, put them in the truck, and that way I got them when I get home. But if I decide to do something when I get home, to go to Freightliner is 170 miles round trip for me. So, you know, if I don't have to do that round trip, I don't want to, you know. I don't do it if I don't have to. Hell, I don't know what the hell I'm saying. But anyway, this is Price, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's just quick, down and dirty. A little bit cold out here. I gotta leave out in a couple of hours, and I'm gonna get these other shocks knocked out and get ready and hit the road. Y'all be cool, be safe. Don't forget, put the damn cell phone down if you're driving. There's no sense in it. Don't be selfish and inconsiderate. It's not only your life on the line, it's your family, your friends, people you work with, strangers. You never know. Just put it down. It's that simple. Y'all be cool. It's Price, and I'm out of here.